Let's now go to erectile dysfunction. Let's discuss channels influencing male genitalia. Channels influencing men's genitalia. The genitals are related primarily to the liver and kidney channels. The liver connecting channel loops around the genitalia. The genitals are also closely related to the directing, penetrating, and the governing vessels, Ren, Chong, and Dumai. While the influence of the directing vessel on the genitalia is obvious, that the governing vessel is often overlooked. As you can see in the figure, this is the anterior genital branch of the governing vessel. The simple questions describes an anterior branch of the governing vessel that flows to the external genitalia, both in men and women, and to the pubic bone, and from here ascends up the abdomen on the same trajectory as the directing vessel. It says it starts in the lower abdomen, goes down to the pubic bone, in women to the vagina. Its connecting channel goes around the vagina, passes through the perineum, then the buttocks, down to meet the kidney and bladder channels inside the upper thighs. It then rises up the spine and wraps around the kidneys. In men, it goes around the penis and then the perineum. The main vessel starts in the lower abdomen, goes up to the umbilicus, past the heart, throat, chin, around the lips, and then reaches the eyes. Distal points affecting men's genitalia: so kidney 4, liver 1, liver 5, and DO20. The pathways of the channels flowing through the genitalia are as follows. A branch of the governing vessel flows down to the genitalia. The directing vessel flows over the genitalia. The kidney main, connecting, and muscle channels flow through the genitalia. The liver main, connecting, divergent, and muscle channels wrap around the genitalia. You can see in the figure, these are the channels connecting the genitalia. Thank you for your attention.